This Lao Gan Ma garlic pork fried rice is definitely a comfort food winner. It tastes super comforting with excellent textures. First, let's cook some jasmine rice. You can also use other kind of rice, but jasmine rice is my favorite. Remember to always rinse the rice 2 to 3 times to get rid of extra starch before cooking. You can always use 1-day-old rice when you are making fried rice. However, I do like to cook the rice during the day and just let it cool down before cooking. Next, I cook the jasmine rice on medium-high, medium, and low for about 15 minutes until the rice is well cooked. Then transfer the cooked rice to a large bowl and spread it out a little bit and set aside to let it cool down. Next, in a wok, adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. On high heat, wait until the oil gets really hot. When the oil is ready, adding 300 grams of ground pork. Spread it out and let it sear for a few minutes before breaking up the pork. The pork should get nicely golden and crusty. Then break up the pork and fry the other side. Continue to stir for a few more minutes. Then adding 6 chopped garlic cloves. Stir for about 15 seconds. Then adding 1 diced onion. Stir for about 1 minute. Now adding 1 cup of carrots. Keep stirring for another minute or 2 until the onions are softened. Next, adding 3 tablespoons of Lao Gan Ma crispy chili oil. Continue to stir and combine well. Lao Gan Ma is my #1 Chinese spicy sauce. It goes perfectly with rice and noodles. You can also check out my other Lao Gan Ma recipes. Next, adding the cooked jasmine rice. Then adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Mix everything well. Now adding 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix well again. Now adding 3 chopped green onions and combine thoroughly. Look how beautiful the color is and how delicious it looks. I can't wait to taste it. Now transfer to serving bowls. You can enjoy the rice as the way it is, but I like to add some fried eggs on top. Now let's fry 2 eggs. Add the eggs on top of the rice. Garnish with more chopped green onions and some sesame seeds. This Lao Gan Ma garlic pork fried rice has a wonderful flavor and an excellent texture. It is quick and easy to make, and it is a comfort food winner. I hope you can give it a try. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye!